Hey, it's Sammy on Friday, November 15th. We've had a really banging great week. The hour chart just gave us tons of opportunities, and we were shorting again today right after the open. So we took two trades for 72 points, and we were done trading pretty damn quick. So we can take a look at this chart right here. You can see I have that trend line up top there. Every time we went and we hit what's known as bear support, we had lower highs. So we were right there. There's a horizontal green line. That is our S1, support level 1. This red line that you see here, that's our deviation one for VWAP. Once we break through that, this thing's gonna drop like a stone. You can see how that data shifts in real time. The data was falling already or growing to the short side. So we're able to read those numeric values, and you can see we punch right through here and we're heading down to the yellow line and the 38.2 Fibonacci level. Now I typically play conservative. When I see price stall like this, I just go ahead and lock in my points. I got 43 points here. That's plenty for this trade. Of course, you can see that trade just kept right on going, punched right through that yellow, that 38.2. It came all the way down to the 50 Fibonacci level before it settled. Now we came back up to the 38.2 and deviation 1. Also, that white tracer is the 200 moving average. All the data is flipping back over to the short side. We're going to go ahead and take a little floor trade right here, back down to that 50 Fibonacci level. It's been a great week. We're just going to go ahead and lock in manually 29 points right down here.